When your EE Smart Hub Plus or EE Smart Hub 6E shows a red light, it's indicating a problem that needs your attention. Understanding what different red light patterns mean can help you identify the issue quickly. There are three main red light patterns you might see. A solid red light typically indicates complete internet loss, power supply issues, hardware failure, or overheating protection being activated. A flashing red light usually points to authentication problems with the EE network, firmware update issues, cable connection problems, or a service outage in your local area. An alternating red and amber light suggests partial connectivity issues, DNS resolution problems, or network congestion affecting your connection quality. You're not alone in experiencing these issues. Since Q4 2024, EE has seen a 15% increase in red light troubleshooting calls, making this a common problem affecting many customers. The most common causes break down as follows. Power-related issues account for 40% of red light problems, including faulty adapters and voltage fluctuations. Network connectivity problems make up 35% of cases, involving line faults and exchange issues. Hardware failures account for 15%, while configuration errors represent the remaining 10%. Recent firmware updates in 2024 have addressed some connectivity issues, but have also introduced new power management problems. We're also seeing increased heat-related failures and growing interference from smart home devices as emerging trends affecting EE boxes. Understanding these red light patterns and their common causes is the first step in diagnosing your EE box issues. In the next section, we'll cover the specific troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve these problems. When your EE box shows a red light, follow these proven troubleshooting steps in order. This systematic approach resolves most issues quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Start with the basics. Check that all power and cable connections are secure. Pay attention to the specific red light pattern. Solid red, flashing red, or alternating colors each indicate different issues. Step 2. Perform a proper power cycle. This simple step resolves 78% of red light issues. Unplug the power cable completely and wait exactly 30 seconds, not less. This allows internal capacitors to fully discharge. Step 3. Use the EE My Account app for advanced diagnostics. The app can run automatic tests, check for local service outages, and provide personalized troubleshooting solutions based on your specific setup. Step 4. Consider reset options. EE now offers a soft reset that preserves your custom settings while fixing configuration issues. Only use a factory reset as a last resort, as it will erase all your personalized settings. Step 5. If problems persist, contact EE technical support with your diagnostic results. Having this information ready speeds up the process. Technician visits have a 95% success rate but take around 2.5 hours. EE is investing heavily in preventing these issues. They're developing AI-powered diagnostics that can predict failures before red lights appear, and investing £50 million in network infrastructure to reduce red light incidents by 40% over the next 2 years. Remember, most red light issues can be resolved by following these systematic steps. Start with the basics. Try a 30-second power cycle, use the diagnostic tools available, and don't hesitate to contact support when needed.